Hello and welcome back to another TPR Tech video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, and we're going to unbox this, and it is it's got a clamp and you can clamp it onto a table and then put the iPad in or your phone, and it's adjustable and then you can watch whatever you want, but you can also film overhead videos. And it's going to be really good for my stop motion animation videos, because before I was literally just doing it off the sofa and it just got into a total nightmare. This is the setup for one of my old stop motion videos. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and this is kind of like behind the scenes. Anyway, it's very, very messy, and I had to film it by putting the iPad over here and getting some books on the edge of the sofa to bounce it out, and it was just so annoying, and it just got into a total nightmare. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. So now I've got it out of its packaging. This is the parcel without the cardboard packaging. So let's open it. Now I've got it out of the packaging. So I think this is how you use it. This part's very stiff. This is how you move it around from view. And then you attach this part, which has got this little knob on the back, which I think fits in here. Yes, it does. You've just got to take this thing off. That's why it was so hard. And then it fits in perfectly like that. And then you screw it on. Can move around like that. And then you move this bit out. So I've stretched this bit out, and you can't kind of like straighten it. And then this is the clamp part at the bottom, and then if you turn it around, I think that the bottom part pulls out, or there should really be instructions for this thing. So I've managed to get it out like this. Then if I just turn you around, you can open and close it by just pulling it like that. And then if you would put it on, let's say here. Oh, we need it a bit wider. Would that fit? Pretty much. And then you just screw it back in. So there, it's properly screwed in. And then you can adjust it, move it around, and then your device can fit in there, which is attached to here. I was a bit disappointed when I thought that this could extend, but oh, it can. Yep, it can extend. This side can extend. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. Join us for our next video at TPR Tech, and we will be unboxing a TV.